Oh man, I gotta get this door up. Hi guys, it is Heath, the Groovy Gold Hunter, and I just got my door put in. This is the old door, but I'm gonna cut it up. Hold on, I'm coming. Give me just a second. Howdy ho! What is going on, folks? Let's You're here to see a pay dirt review, and that is what we're going to do right after the intro. Here it is, right here, the brand new pay dirt that I got for Christmas from my son. See right there? It says to Heath from no, it doesn't say to Heath. It says to Dad. He wouldn't call me Heath. It says to Dad from Cody. Merry Christmas. Thank you, Cody. So yes, we're going to do this pay dirt tonight, and it will probably be pretty quick. So this, if you didn't know from the box, some of you experts probably already know what it is. For those of you who don't, it is this guy right here. The GoldNuggetMan. I have been wanting to do this pay dirt for a long time. The reason why I have not done it is because he only takes PayPal. And I hate PayPal, so I don't use PayPal. But my son does, and he got this for me for Christmas. So again, thank you, son, for doing this for me. The reason why I pulled this up to show you, because this is not a card. This is really cool. This came with the pay dirt bag, and I'll show you everything that came with it, including the card that was sent. But look at this. I couldn't figure out what this was for a few seconds, and I was like, what is this, a hologram? No, it's a magnifying glass. It's a card that is a magnifying glass. So now, when I can't see something, I can use this. This is awesome. This is really awesome. I mean, look at me. I wear glasses. I can't see. So, yeah, that was really cool. It also came with a gold vial and a gold nugget display holder. I don't know what you call these things, but it came with one of those. That's cool. It also came with this. It says Merry Christmas, because I got this at Christmas time. And inside it comes with, and this kind of threw me back. I didn't know these pay dirts came with a certificate of authenticity. I will read it to you, not the whole thing, but the main part. Certificate of Authenticity, GoldNuggetMan, Premium Select High Grade Pay Dirt. Pretty cool. I'll let you read it. Well, should I read it to you? It says, the gold in our pay dirt is beautiful. Pick 'em up with your fingers, little gold nuggets. All natural in the dirt and gravels where they originally occurred. Our pay dirt includes healthy amounts of fine gold at no extra charge. This means you'll want to catch and save everything and repan repeatedly for fun and excitement. The bottles are screw top, beautifully labeled to keep for showing and saving all of your pay dirt. We do not sell garnets or gemstones. Should you find any, they are purely incidental. Our accent is on beautiful gold. You can pause and read it. I pretty much read the whole thing. But then on the back, it says a Christmas gift for Heath from Cody. GoldNuggetMan's 1 gram plus trophy bottle of premium select high grade pay dirt with beautiful Nevada gold pickers on the very back. So yeah, very detailed, very cool. Oh, it came with this too. Oh, this one threw me. I've read this before I started filming. But look at this. You can read it. Pause it. I'll read it to you anyway. It says, we strongly suggest do not screen or classify your pay dirt. Doing so will remove larger, beautiful gold nugget pickers from the panning dirt, reducing the excitement and joy of your panning experience. And I thought, well, he ain't talking about me. I can classify if I want to. Then it reads on. You may see others on YouTube who classify or screen their pay dirt before panning. That would be a mistake with GoldNuggetMan Premium High Select Pay Dirt. Your pay dirt is perfect for panning just like it is. Enjoy. Buck and Ollie. Tell me I can't classify it. I'm going to freaking classify it. Watch me. Maybe I won't. I don't know. We'll open it and I'll make that decision if I should classify it or not. And finally, there it is. The jar or bottle of pay dirt. Nice little bow on it. Nicely wrapped. Let me get a bowl so I can pour this special pay dirt that doesn't need to be classified and or screened. I don't screen my pay dirt. I classify it. can't classify his pay dirt. What the hell? I didn't know when you buy pay dirt you had to stick to the rules of the pay dirt seller. Well, maybe I will and maybe I won't. We'll just look at it and see. Off goes the bow, and there it is. It's really a cool bottle. It says 1 gram plus, or 1+ gram. GoldNuggetMan Premium Select Custom High Grade Pay Dirt. Cute. All right, let's put it in a bow, if that's okay with GoldNuggetMan. What was their names? Buck and Ollie. Yeehaw! They sound like gold miners. Good old Buck and Ollie from Nevada. But yes, seriously, I have been trying to get this pay dirt. Not trying, but I've been wanting to get this pay dirt for a while. And like I've said on other videos and a million times over,
I hate PayPal.
They did me wrong years ago and I refuse to use them again. All right, let's look at it. Bow, twisty top. I hope it doesn't have one of those safety seals like that. Oh, no, it doesn't. All right, so there's the dirt. Looks like some river rocks, not very dirty at all. It looks mostly just rocks. So we're going to classify it. Let me get my classifiers.
Oh, no, he didn't.
So I got my classifier, but I'm not using my big bucket because there's not a lot of pay dirt in there. This is my 10 mesh. I'm going to dump it all in there, give it a nice little shake. Not really looking at the pay dirt either. So there's the 10 mesh. I'll do plus and minus 20 and that'll be it. This is going to be a very fast pay dirt review anyway, so I might as well drag it out a little bit, right? And that's it. That's all I'm doing. There's the minus 20. So that's all I'm going to do. There's 10, 20, minus 20. And before we start panning this, I'm just going to grab my magnet real quick, do a quick run through. Ooh, there's a lot of magnetics in here. And if you've never panned pay dirt before, get you a neodymium magnet. It really does make panning pay dirt, especially if you have flour gold, makes it a lot easier. It's not magnetite. It's basically, I think, just hot rocks. I do not see magnetite. So there's all the magnetics. I'm going to pick those up one more time. Make sure there's no gold in it, and then we'll get the panning. Another reason I bought this is Dylan from Miller Prospecting. If you're watching this, Dylan, thanks for watching 2 seconds of my videos. I really appreciate it. His last live feed, he said he doesn't watch pay dirt reviewers. That made me feel really nice and tingly inside. Thanks, Dylan. Watch your live feed. You can watch one of my videos. I mean, anyway. He's got a list of his top 10 pay dirt sellers, and one of them that's always on there is GoldNuggetMan. And I have done every single pay dirt on his list except for GoldNuggetMan. So this is like a big thing for me, at least. For you guys, I don't know. So let's get over to the overhead and let's start panning this stuff and find those big fat gold nuggets that he keeps talking about. Oh, before I do that, I don't know how much he paid for it, but I'm going to give you the price that he sells it for because it was free for me, so I get 100% no matter what happens. But my son, let's see what he paid for it. I bet it's gone up. I'll need to ask him what he paid for it. All right, I think it's this one. The 1 gram of Picker Gold Nuggets and a ½ pound of GoldNuggetMan Premium Select High Grade, $165 is the current price. I don't know if that's what he paid for it. Anyway, let's get over and pan it. This is everything minus 20. We'll do half and half. This really will not take long. Very clean. And let's start panning. I think that's good enough. Quick tap. Small flaky gold. Nice. So we got, looks like 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. A lot of different sizes, which is why I like to classify my dirt, because in case I get bigger gold, smaller gold, I don't want the bigger material to drag off the smaller gold. Anyway, let's get a photo shot of that and then we'll do the rest of the minus 20. And real quick, to be fair to the GoldNuggetMan, I understand what he was saying when he said don't classify it. Because what he was saying is, if you classify it and you shake it and you see this big fat nugget or something in there, you're gonna ruin it. I didn't look at it, but I get what he's saying. So here's the rest of the minus 20. quick stratify. And as I'm stratifying, I gotta tell you guys, I have bought a lot of pay dirts, and some of the ones that I have bought I've thoroughly enjoyed. This one is one of them that I didn't buy, but I got Gold Bays, that Motherlode hard rock ore stuff. I've already done one of those. So far, that's my favorite pay dirt I've ever panned. I have 2 more bags of the exact same stuff. So yeah, I've got a lot of pay dirts to be done. But right now we're focused on Gold Nugget Man, so let's pan. Yeah, that stuff stayed back pretty good too. Yeah, a lot of flour gold and flaky gold. So another quick phone shot and we are done with the -20. We'll move on to the +20, -10. And we are on to the +20, -10. There it all is. We'll do this in 2 as well. There's the first one.
Then front to back. I love it when you do it like that. Don't give it to me. Yeah. Don't give it to me. Don't give it to me. Yeah. Don't give it to me.
All right, that'll do. Let's pan this back. Quick tap. Oh yeah, we got some flakage in there. Got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 pieces of gold. Quick phone shot, and we'll finish the 20 mesh.
Hurry now, it'll all be okay. Side to side, then front to back. I love it when you do it like that. Don't give it to me.
And here is the rest of that 20 mesh, and let's pan it. Good enough. Quick tap. And yes sir, more flakes of gold. So there it is, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 pieces. There's a piece of white quartz right there that looked like it had a touch of gold in it. We're gonna look at that real quick, and then we are done with 20 mesh, and all we got left is the 10. So there's 3 times. And here's 10 times. This will give me the look that I'm wanting. So definitely gold, 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 gold. That piece right there is questionable in the middle. And then you have that piece of gold, and then right there, you see that piece of quartz? It looks like it's got some yellow in it. That might be a specimen of gold. So we're gonna suck that up. Look at this sweet boy. You gonna say hi to everybody? You sweet boy. He's mad because I'm downstairs. My wife is out of town for the weekend. She went to Disney World. And he is not letting me go anywhere without him tagging along. Ain't that right? But he hates the garage because he hates that bin of water. He always thinks I'm gonna give him a bath. All right, say bye to everybody. Say bye. No, he's so camera shy. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to make you come out in the garage. I don't know why you think I'm gonna give you a bath in the garage of all places. Love that dog. All right, we're down to the last bowl. We're just gonna do it all. Holy crap, I see a nice sizable piece of gold in there. That must be my nugget that he was talking about. Let's pan this. I gotta get to that thing. I think there's 2 in there. Let's pan this back. There is 3, including this monster nugget. And yes, I am calling it a monster nugget. Jesus, listen to it. Oh, ka-chunk. Let's get a phone shot and then we'll talk. Well, now I know why GoldMan is always in the top 10 of DeLong from Miller Prospecting's top 10. He's actually always been like top 3, top 5. That's a big fat nugget. That was a pretty nugget. I'm going to dry it, clean it up, take it upstairs. We'll get phone shots. We'll get glamour shots of it. We'll do it all. See you guys up there. We got the gold dried. Let's take a look at it right now. Now it is time to weigh the gold. We are on grams. I went ahead and set my tray on there. But let's weigh this nugget first. Almost half a gram. 0.472 is how much that weighs. Now let's put the rest in there and see how much gold we got. 1.212 is what we got. 1212. Cool, that's easy to remember. Now let's get on the gold calculator, get a value. I know how much was paid for it, so I can put that in there as well. So let's go to the computer. Let's put in the values. 1.212 grams of gold is what we got. 24 karat is what we're calling it, natural placer gold. Gold prices, $4,596.36. Ridiculously high prices for gold right now. $147 a gram. We'll calculate 179.11. We will put that in. 179.11. My son, who bought it for me for Christmas, paid $151. So we'll calculate 118% return. So a great return. Right now it's at $165. Even at these prices right now, it's still 108%. Great return. All right, there it is. There is the pay dirt review of the Gold Nugget Man. The 1+ gram guarantee, the one that has the certificate of authenticity with their gold, the one that had almost a half gram nugget, really good pay dirt. Yeah, the only complaint would be the amount of pay dirt in there, just not a lot. This thing right here was really cool, this little magnifying glass card that he put in there, that's really cool. See, look at there. Ooh. And then these little nugget holder right there. I guess that's where I'm putting my nugget. And then the vial that it put in there. And then this certificate of authenticity. But no, it really was a cool setup. When I was talking to my son, asking him about how much he paid for it and all that stuff, he did say that they asked him a lot of questions. And he also said that they had told him to make sure that they did not classify the dirt and all that stuff. I was like, wow, they're really adamant about not classifying, aren't they? So anyway, there's your pay dirt review. Thank you guys for watching. As always, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like button, share button, notification bell. It helps my channel. I really would appreciate it. And if you have, thank you so much. I do appreciate it. And until my next review, I will see you then. Until then, peace and love. Peace and 4. Bye. What the heck is that? Peace and love. Bye.